Hello viewers, and for you today I have a lot of 30 foreign coins from the 1800s. It says it's low grade. This is another eBay purchase. And I paid $25.09 for these. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Oops. Oh, an envelope inside an envelope. That's kind of nice. Don't know why they did that, but... Okay. Well, those are very fancy staples. And there we go. Okay, here's the 30 coins laid out. And I have each one labeled as to what it is, so we'll go through in depth. Okay, the first three we have here are all United Kingdom pennies. First one is in 1861, then in 1862, and in 1876. And I'll show you the other sides. The next one we have is an 1882 United Kingdom penny, an 1896, then a United Kingdom halfpenny, and I can't tell the exact date, it's anywhere from 1770 to 1775. And then the last two that we have there are both halfpennies from 1861. And I'll show you the other side now. Don't have a lot of detail on that one to orient it. Okay, the next three coins we have are a halfpenny from the United Kingdom, 1837. Next one is an Argentina, 1893, 2 centavos. And an Austro-Hungarian Empire, 1897, 2 hellers. I'll show you the other side. This half penny from the United Kingdom, 1837, has particularly nice detail to it. Okay, we have a Belgium 1874 1 cent, a France 1862A 5 centimes, a France 1854A 5 centimes, and a France 1853W 5 centimes. And I'll show you the other side. If I could get the orientation correct. Okay, there we have a French colonies 1828 5 centimes. We have a Germany 1890D 1 pfennig. We have a Germany 1875E 2 pfennig. And a Germany 1874A 5 pfennig. And I'll show you the other sides. Well, this one is not have a lot of detail to it. Okay, these are the next 4 coins in the third row. This is another Germany 1898E 5 pfennig. And this is a really nice one here. This is an East India Company 1853 quarter anna. And then the next 2 are Italy 1863 10 centesimi coins. And I'll show you the other side of those. Okay, the next one is in Italy, Kingdom of Two Sicilies, 1810, 3 grana coin. It was very difficult for me to research and find exactly what that was. It took me a lot of time. The next one is the Netherlands East Indies, 1897, 2.5 cents. And I'll show you the other sides of these. I don't even know how to orient that one. Doesn't have a lot of detail left on it. Okay, we have a Peru 1879 5 centavos, a Spain 1875 centimos, and a Sweden 1 skilling from 1820. And this is really one of the coins that I bought this whole collection for, was the Sweden skilling. I don't have any of those. And the final one is a Venezuela 1852 quarter centavo. And I'll show you the other sides of those. Now this final coin I have here, maybe you viewers can help me figure out what this is. I don't have a lot of detail on it, and I have just a little bit of text. And I think maybe it might be either a Peru or a Philippines coin, a reals, maybe 2 reals from the 1800s. This coin weighs 10 grams and is 28 millimeters in diameter. It appears to be made of either copper or bronze, but I'm not sure what this coin is. I'll show you the other side. Here's a close-up of the coin. What makes me think it's either a Peru or a Philippines coin from this era is on the side, right here, you can barely make out. It says P-O-R-L-A. And it seems to indicate on the other side, seems to indicate P-E-R-A. R-U-A-N-A on the other side. But that's all I've made out so far. So overall, a very nice collection for the price that I paid, around $25. And I'll put up a list of what everything is in the final total of what it's worth. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And please help support the channel by subscribing.